Good morning. So today I'm going to show you the Dewalt Biscuit Joiner. It's a tool that's used primarily for tabletops, carpentry work that you want to have a level of precision cut with having two tops meet each other the way you're not guessing or having to sand or run it through a planer on the back end, where you can go ahead and put a little bit of upfront levelness. So this piece right here is the level that goes on top of the board. Sits like that very comfortably. You measure the depth right here. So this is how deep into the top of the wood grain that's going to go. Mine is set just over a ½ inch. If you notice there. So I have it a little bit into the piece of wood. And the safety mechanism is you have to press this to make it work. But there's no blade that you can see when you just press that. So the second part of it is holding this and using this to press the wood down. So you go, so the piece of wood is right here. Put this on the bottom part of the wood. Put it close to the wood, and then as you go in, and then it recoils back into the metal frame. There's quite a bit of screws that you just want to make sure are holding it together, because you would hate for that blade to cut you. It does look very sharp because it cuts wood. And then you can change the degree of the top surface. If you're doing like a star or something and you want to change the degree, you can go from 0 to 80, 90 degrees. So 0 to 90 degrees is a surface that you can join together using a biscuit. So these are biscuits. Lowe's, Home Depot's, hardware stores sell these everywhere, or a lot of places sell them. And then this is the item that the biscuit cuts out for. So when you're making a dinner table or a coffee table or an end table, you pre-cut this hole approximately a little bit thicker than a ½ inch and apply the biscuit. So you would put glue inside the biscuit, put the biscuit in. If you notice, like right there, it starts to get tight. I'm having to push it in and pull it out. Then put glue over the top, and then when you wedge the two pieces together, it's a wood-like material that creates a bond. So with any wood glue, it creates a very nice bond between this, and then keeps it together with this wood substance. And then I'll use Craig jigs on this side of the board, not the top. On the top side of the board, I have little lines marked where I know that the biscuit joiners need to go. So in between this mark and this mark, I would put a screw underneath, not on the top part of it, because on the top part of the table, it's going to damage the wood. On the bottom part of the table, you're not going to be eating it or using it. Different sizes of biscuits. Again, the biscuit joiner is an awesome tool to have in your shop, awesome tool to use. I'll show you some examples of dinner tables I've created with this, with minimal types of sanding, with the grains or the lines in between the two boards, because it's set at the same distance.